Hello guys, we are working today on a Samsung washer machine. This machine is making a really loud noise. We're about to find out why. So most likely when you have a problem with this machine and it's making really loud noise, it's because the spider is broken, the drum. The drum might be broken inside, so because it's kind of moving inside. It's moving, so we're gonna take it apart to find out what's going on with this unit. We'll let you know in a little bit. So okay, we got to the point where we had to replace the spider. The reason why we replaced this part to the washer is because when you guys overload the washer for too much, this part can break. Let me show you the results, guys. So we got the drum out already. This is how it looks. Just take a look at this. It's just pretty much completely broken. The spider is completely broken. So to avoid this problem, guys, we just recommend you, to try to don't overload the washer, because this can happen. And also I want to show you something that if you guys are replacing this part yourself, something that you can come up is pretty much the screws. They get really rusted, and when this happens, if you try to turn it for too hard, you can break the head, and then after that, pretty much you're gonna have to replace all new screws. So in this case, what we can do is just we're gonna heat up the head with the heat gun, or the screw can come loose. If not, this is what can happen. We already broke one of the screws. So you got to be careful once you do this, because if you broke all the screws, you're not going to be available to put the spider back on. So right now what we're going to do is just put the torch on. And what we're going to do is we're just going to heat up the head of the screw, because that way the screw will come loose really easy. So you just wait until the head gets really hot, and after that you just put your wrencher. Yeah, screws start coming out easy now. If you don't have a torch with you, what you guys can do is just bring a pair of screws with you next time, or when you're gonna do this job, because if that way you won't have to have the problem that you have to come back because you got to put new screws. You can cut it. So now that we got the spider and the new spider on, it's time to put the top on top. And perfect. Now it's just time to assemble everything back. So we got it back on. Now we're just gonna put everything back. Machine is all assembled, running perfect. So we're just checking, make sure right now it's not leaking water. Okay, so we pretty much complete the job. We're just checking right here around the pump, make sure it's not leaking any water before we put the last section on the back, the cover. And we know that everything is working perfect. The washer is not making noise anymore. Everything come up good.
Seems to be
There's
good.
no problems at all. If you guys have any questions, leave your comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Also like this video.